Hi guys, I'm back and today we'll learn how to make a boat. First thing we'll have is an A4 paper. We need to fold it in half. Then fold it again in half. Just make sure it's so very tight. Then open this half. Then take that closed side, not the open side, and do triangles. Then we will take the bit from here and put it up like this. And close this. Triangles, make them triangles. Then we'll flip it again and make the same with triangles. Here you go. This is a big triangle. Then we need to open it like this. You'll see it's like a very tall boat. Then you'll close it like this. Then you'll take from here and do it like a triangle. Yeah. And flip it again and make it a triangle again. Then it's a triangle again. So now we will open it and make it a boat. Just open it like the same way. This boat. Then we're gonna open it like this. And there's a boat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Bye!